Hey guys, dealing with erectile dysfunction can be tough, and it's something a lot of us don't talk about. But did you know that something as simple as pumpkin seeds could help? Yep, these little seeds are packed with zinc, which is crucial for maintaining testosterone levels and supporting blood flow. So today I'm going to show you 3 delicious recipes that incorporate pumpkin seeds to give your bedroom performance a natural boost. First up, a refreshing, here's what you'll need. 1 ripe avocado, diced, 50 grams of pumpkin seeds, 100 grams of mixed greens, think spinach, rocket or kale, 50 grams of cherry tomatoes halved, 50 grams of cucumber sliced, 30 milliliters of olive oil, 15 milliliters of lemon juice, and salt and pepper to taste. To make it, combine mixed greens, cherry tomatoes, cucumber, and diced avocado in a large bowl. Toast the pumpkin seeds in a small frying pan over medium heat for 5 minutes until they're golden brown. Add the toasted seeds to your salad. Whisk olive oil, lemon juice, salt, and pepper in a small bowl and drizzle over the salad. Toss to combine and enjoy. Next, ingredients. 200 grams of oats, 50 grams of pumpkin seeds, 25 grams of sunflower seeds, 60 milliliters of honey or maple syrup, 60 milliliters of coconut oil, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1/2 teaspoon of cinnamon. Optional add-ins could be dried fruit, nuts, or chocolate chips. Start by preheating your oven to 180 degrees Celsius or 350 degrees Fahrenheit. Mix oats, pumpkin seeds, and sunflower seeds in a large bowl. Warm honey or maple syrup and coconut oil in a small saucepan until melted, then stir in vanilla extract and cinnamon. Pour this liquid mixture over the dry ingredients and stir until everything is well coated. Spread it out on a baking sheet lined with parchment paper and bake for 25 minutes, stirring halfway through. Let it cool, mix in your optional add-ins, and store it. Lastly, you'll need 50 grams of fresh basil leaves, 50 grams of pumpkin seeds, 50 grams of grated Parmesan cheese, 2 garlic cloves, 120 milliliters of olive oil, and salt and pepper to taste. For extra flavor, you can add a splash of lemon juice. Combine basil, pumpkin seeds, Parmesan cheese, and garlic in a food processor and pulse until finely chopped. With the processor running, slowly add olive oil until the pesto reaches your desired consistency. Season with salt and pepper and add lemon juice if you like. Use this as a pasta sauce, sandwich spread, or even a dip. By adding these recipes to your diet, you're not only enjoying tasty meals, but also supporting your efforts to manage ED naturally. Remember, whether you prefer raw or cooked pumpkin seeds, both can be beneficial. Give these a try and see how they work for you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more tips.